to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of ParksideVip.com to determine if it's a legitimate site or just another scam. This website claims to offer a wide range of tools, including wrenches, DIY kits, furniture tools, batteries, screwdrivers, and much more. But the big question is, should you trust them with your hard-earned money? So legitimate websites usually provide a clear and easy way for customers to reach them. However, this site is lacking in this area. They don't offer any contact information like a phone number or physical address. The only form of contact they provide is an email address that doesn't seem very professional. Next, let's discuss pricing. If you've been shopping for tools, you know that prices can vary widely among reputable resellers like Amazon or PicClick. When we look at ParksideVip, the prices seem too good to be true. For instance, they have a cordless impact wrench listed for just €25. Compare that to the nearly €100 you'd spend for the same wrench on pickclick.co.uk. This massive price discrepancy raises a lot of questions. How can they afford to sell these tools at such low prices? It makes you wonder if they're using a drop-shipping model, which means there's a risk you might not receive your items at all. And if you do receive them, they could be low-quality Chinese products. Another significant concern is the aggressive marketing tactics the website employs. You might have noticed phrases like limited time offer, only a few stocks left, and someone just bought this seconds ago. These strategies are designed to create a sense of urgency, pushing you to make quick purchasing decisions without doing thorough research. While it's normal for online retailers to use promotional tactics, the extent to which ParksideVip uses them feels manipulative and should raise a red flag for any savvy shopper. It's always wise to exercise caution when considering online purchases, especially from sites that don't provide clear information and seem too good to be true. So be sure to do your homework and think twice before making a purchase from ParksideVip.com. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.